Reverend Father Auggie Khrawlang Warbah, a Catholic priest of Archdiocese of Shillong, Northeast India, is a native of Noster, a village well known for Khasi tradition and culture. Even without any formal training in music, he is indeed a born musician. He has composed several hymns and gospel songs in English, Khasi, and some other Northeastern languages. His hymns are easy to learn, easy to sing, and heart-rendering. So, be in tune with Father Auggie and have a God experience as you listen to his songs and hymns.
I am going to sing some hymns in Latin, especially the prayer of Jesus, Our Father who art in heaven, holy, holy, and Agnus Dei. Pater Noster qui es in cele, sanctificetur nomen tuum, adveniat regnum tuum, fiat voluntas tua, sicut in cielo et in terra. Panem nostrum quotidianum da nobis hodie, et dimitte nobis debita nostra, sicut et nos dimittimus debitoribus nostres, et ne nos inducas in tentationem, sed libera nos a malo. Via tuum est regnum, et potestas et gloria in saecula. Now I will sing Sanctus, 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 Holy, 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 in Latin and in Khasi. Sanctus, 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 Dominus Deus, Sabaoth, plenius celi et terra, gloria will sing Agnus Dei, qui tollis peccata mundi, Lamb of God who take away the sins of the world. Agnus Dei, qui tollis peccata mundi, miserere nobis, miserere nobis, miserere nobis. Agnus Dei, qui tollis peccata mundi, miserere nobis, miserere nobis, miserere nobis. Agnus Dei, qui tollis peccata mundi, dona nobis pacem, dona nobis pacem, dona nobis pacem. Thank you. God bless you.